Very happy Doctors' Day to all the doctors present over here. As a caregiver, you see selfless act every day. A very blissful and warm morning to all. Now I request our principal ma'am to address the guest for the day.
Morning, respected doctors. On behalf of Sanjeevani Rural Education Society, Honorable Chairman Sir Shankarauji Sahib, Executive Trustee Nitin Dada, Managing Trustee Amit Dada Sir, Managing Director Mrs. Manali Amit Dada Kole Ma'am. Today we Sanjeevanites pay a heartfelt tribute to all the Corona warriors who, without thinking about their lives, fought each and every second and gave life to many of our lives. Again, on behalf of Sanjeevani family, we wish you happy Doctors' Day. Hats off to all the COVID warriors. Thank you.
And students, I Miss Ragini Bhavat and I Miss Sanvi Bhope welcome you all on this grand event of National Day of Doctors. You all. Dear all, let's hear it out from Miss Adya Kali the importance of the day, where we are celebrating the day of such a personality who played a vital role in our life.
In the memory of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, he had made many contributions towards medical field. Doctors have to work round the clock.
Good morning, everyone. So this poem is dedicated to this lifesaver who we call as doctors. To fight life of patient when in danger, role of you is a game changer. Someone's husband, someone's wife, you are at risk. People's life facing situation difficulty or no doubt you are next to God. Thank you.
हाँ, मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ। मुझे भगवान न समझो, शायद मैं हकदार नहीं, मगर एक इंसान हूँ, इससे तुम्हें भी इनकार नहीं। जब तुम जिंदगी में मस्त थे, मैं किताबों में व्यस्त था। तुम्हारे घर जश्न था, मैं अस्पताल में मग्न था। तुम परिवार संग त्योहारों की खुशियां मना रहे थे। मेरी माँ और मैं दूर दूर दिए जला रहे थे। बिना नाम जात धर्म पूछे ये हाथ मदद को बढ़े हैं। त्योहार हो, रविवार हो, दिन या रात हो, फिर भी हम खड़े हैं।
Hello Papa, you remember na today is my birthday?
Yes son, I remember today is your birthday.
You always get late.
Yes son, I will definitely come on time.
Okay Papa, bye.
Oh, I am so tired. Wake up! What happened? Who are you?
I am your demand.
Why are you irritating me?
You haven't slept from 3 days properly.
I got mad. I absolutely got mad. I will go to my home and celebrate my son's birthday and spend some time with my family members.
Doctor, there is an emergency. We need you to operate on a patient.
Let's go.
I knew that. You will not celebrate your child's birthday and you will not go also. You are having work, patients. What about him?
Just shut up. I want to attend my patient. My work is my worship. Now you go from here.
Doctor operated on the patient for several hours. It was very long and tiring procedure. By the time doctor done the operation and went home, his son fallen asleep on sofa waiting for his father.
Papa, mere Papa.
Sorry sir, I got late.
Don't worry Papa, I am proud of you.
Why?
The man you once saved was my friend's father. Thank you Papa.
Really?
सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः। मम नाम आर्या सोनवणे। सर्वेषां कृते वैद्यदिनस्य शुभशयः। वैद्यः अर्थात् डॉक्टर। अस्माकं देशस्य सैनिकाः यथा देशस्य रक्षणं कुर्वन्ति तथैव अस्माकं मध्ये स्थित्वा वैद्याः समाजस्य सेवां कुर्वन्ति।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, जाने वतन सोचा मुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आवाज तुझे।
अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते हैं, पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद। फांसी लगाकर सरहद की सीमा रेखा की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन भारत की जीवन रेखा की जिम्मेदारी अब हमारे हाथ है।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
इस कोरोना के डर से लोग सिर्फ एक टच से घबराते हैं। हम डॉक्टर्स हैं, रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
I especially thank to all people who believe in us, and I will pray to God to give us strength to help me and my colleague in my work, in our work. A special thanks for Sanjeevani Academy for giving us the feeling that we should encourage our next generation to serve the humanity as we are serving.
Respected dignitaries of Sanjeevani Academy, on behalf of all doctor fraternity, I pay my heartiest greetings to all.
Thank you all Sanjeevani team, respected Manali ma'am, principal ma'am, and all the teachers, and heart-touching drama and songs played by students. Thank you to all.
All for organizing such a beautiful event for this Doctors Day, and I thank you all for your love and support. All doctors really need this motivation now because the situation is very depressing.
And I would like to thank all the respected teachers and little friends and Manali ma'am for this appreciation and good words for doctors. It really means a lot to us.
We thank each doctor for their valuable dedication even in this crisis all over the world. A very grand salute to each one of you.